Parlez-vous anglais? It was an ordinary day. We woke up at 6 o'clock and went down for breakfast. Nobody felt like cooking, so we all had some cereal. After breakfast, we went back to our rooms to get dressed. At 7 o'clock, we were all back downstairs ready to leave. We had the car keys, our phones, food and water packed in our backpacks, and the dog on a leash. I took the first step outside. It immediately started raining. After short deliberations, we all decided to cancel the trip and watch something on the telly. We watched some really interesting medication ads. I don't remember if there was any film. Was it an ordinary day? Yes, it was an ordinary day. What time did they wake up? They woke up at 6 o'clock. Why did they go down? They went down for breakfast. What did they have for breakfast? They had cereal for breakfast. What happened after breakfast? They went up to their rooms. What time were they back downstairs? They were back downstairs at 7 o'clock. Where did they pack food? They packed it in their backpacks. What happened when they stepped outside? It started raining. Did they decide to cancel the trip? Yes, they decided to cancel the trip. What did they do instead? They watched something on the telly instead. Did they watch a film? It's hard to say. Bye, guys.